Welcome to Vital Elixir. You know, if you've looked in the mirror lately and noticed your skin changing, I want you to know you are absolutely not alone. Today, we're stepping right into that incredibly overwhelming skincare aisle to unpack the honest science about aging skin and those wildly expensive creams. I am so glad you're joining me for this explainer. Our mission here is always about helping you age with strength, mobility, and confidence. And today, we're focusing on confidence by looking right at the surface, your skin. Caring for your skin is a genuine, important act of health. But as we're going to see, you absolutely do not need to empty your wallet to do it right. So let's jump in. Picture this. You're standing there in the store, holding this tiny, beautiful $89 gold jar that promises to restore your youth. You've probably felt that exact tug of hope mixed with, well, a whole lot of frustration. The anti-aging industry has built an entire empire on making us feel like we are fighting a losing battle against time. They use these buzzy words like miracle and youth restoring, tapping into our perfectly natural desire to look and feel vibrant as we age. But let's take a closer look at what's really happening when you hold that heavy little jar in your hands. When you actually break down the math behind that tiny jar, it is wild. It often costs roughly $3,000 a gallon. To put that into perspective, that is more expensive than Chanel perfume, truffle oil, or even saffron. But the industry hides a pretty shocking truth. The proven active ingredients inside that jar cost them merely $3 to $5 to manufacture. The vast majority of what you are paying for is the heavy glass, the celebrity endorsements, synthetic fragrances, and a massive marketing team whose main job is trying to sell you back your own confidence. Now, before we journey from all this skincare confusion into a really simple dermatologist-backed routine, I do want to remind you that this explainer is strictly for educational purposes. It's not a replacement for your doctor's medical advice. We always put your safety first here. If you have persistent rashes, suspicious moles, or any chronic conditions, please go see a board-certified dermatologist. Your skin health is deeply personal, and any new routine should always be introduced gently. The very first scam we run into is the whole plant stem cell myth. You'll see products boasting about rare Swiss apple stem cells selling for hundreds of dollars. But applying grape or apple stem cells to human skin? It's literally like planting a rose seed in a fish tank. They are completely biologically incompatible. A plant cell just cannot magically integrate into your human epidermis and start pumping out new collagen. Plus, practically speaking, any living stem cells in that cream would be long dead within hours of hitting the air anyway. It's pure marketing masquerading as science. And that brings us to the second frustrating scam: topical collagen. The reason these creams fail all comes down to molecular weight, or what scientists measure in Daltons. Your skin barrier is designed to keep things out, only allowing molecules up to about 500 Daltons to pass through. Well, a collagen molecule is a massive 300,000 Daltons. That means it just sits right on the surface of your skin. It might form a temporary film that feels hydrating for a few hours, but the second you wash your face, it goes right down the drain. It simply cannot penetrate deep enough to add collagen to your skin's underlying structure. Scam number 3 relies purely on looking fancy. Think gold and diamond dust. Here's the truth. Gold is actually a biologically inert heavy metal. It doesn't react with your cells, and it certainly doesn't erase wrinkles. And diamond dust? Sure, it sounds incredibly glamorous, but it is just expensive, ground-up carbon. It gives you a very mild physical exfoliation, which you could easily achieve with a simple damp washcloth. You're just paying a huge luxury tax for ingredients that only exist to look pretty in the jar. Moving on to scam number 4, the incredible, massive markup of eye creams. An eye cream often contains the exact same hydrating ingredients as your regular face moisturizer, but because they package it in a tiny half-ounce jar with a little plastic spatula, it's sold for a shocking 300% markup. The American Academy of Dermatology points out that a gentle, fragrance-free moisturizer, simply dabbed carefully around the orbital bone with your ring finger, provides the exact same barrier protection. You really do not need a separate, overpriced product for your eyes. And finally, scam number 5, the divide between day creams and night creams. Look, the crucial point here is that your skin simply does not know what time it is. The idea of needing separate day and night creams is entirely a marketing construct designed to get you to buy 2 jars instead of 1. Biological repair, barrier restoration, and cellular turnover are happening continuously, 24 hours a day. The only real practical difference in your routine is that you need some protection during the day, and you might want to use your active ingredients at night. That's it. This is the discovery that really changes everything. When we strip away all that marketing hype, there are only 3 main ingredients with decades of peer-reviewed clinical evidence behind them for supporting aging skin: retinoids, sunscreen, and vitamin C. Now, they aren't flashy, they don't have supermodels selling them, but they have actual science, consistency, and real results on their side. Let's break down exactly how each of these empowers your skin to function at its very best. First up, we have retinoids. These are derived from vitamin A, and they are the absolute, undisputed gold standard in dermatology. Why? Because they actively bind to receptors in your skin to accelerate cell turnover and help stimulate your fibroblasts to produce new collagen. This is the ingredient that actually does what all those fake stem cell creams promise to do. It gently encourages your skin to behave in a more youthful, efficient way over time. Next is something you probably already own: sunscreen. Get this, a staggering 80 to 90% of visible skin aging, like deep wrinkles, loss of elasticity, and age spots, is caused directly by cumulative UV radiation from the sun. It's not just the mere passage of time. This makes a simple, broad-spectrum SPF 30 your absolute most powerful tool. It's not just about avoiding sunburns, it's about protecting the structural matrix of your skin every single day, rain or shine. And our third proven ingredient is vitamin C, specifically L-ascorbic acid. Think of a 10 to 20% vitamin C serum as an invisible antioxidant shield for your face. It neutralizes the environmental free radicals we encounter every day and actively supports collagen synthesis. But a quick practical tip: to keep it effective, it has to stay away from light and heat. Always look for it in a dark or opaque bottle, and consider keeping it right in your refrigerator to preserve its potency. Here is your entire morning routine, and the best part is it takes less than 5 minutes. Step 1, simply wash with a gentle, hydrating, fragrance-free cleanser. Step 2, apply your vitamin C serum to dry skin. That's your daily antioxidant shield. And step 3, finish up with a generous layer of SPF 30 moisturizer. That is literally it. You are cleansed, protected from the environment, and shielded from UV damage, ready to face the day with calm confidence. The evening routine is just as easy. Step 1, cleanse again to wash away the day's SPF and pollutants. Step 2, apply your retinol serum. Now, if you're new to retinol, you're going to want to start slow, maybe just 2 to 3 times a week, so your skin can easily adapt without irritation. And step 3, follow that up with a basic, fragrance-free moisturizer to lock in hydration while you rest. No complicated, overpriced night creams required. The big takeaway here is that consistency and time are your true allies, not some gold flake miracle in a jar. Your skin absolutely doesn't need a $200 gimmick. It thrives on proven ingredients, applied consistently, and a whole lot of sunscreen. Caring for your skin shouldn't be a source of stress or something that drains your savings. It should be a simple, highly empowering ritual that helps you feel comfortable and vibrant as you age. So I would love to hear from you. What is the most expensive skincare product you've ever bought? And hey, did it actually live up to the hype? Let me know in the comments below. Share your own skincare journey so our whole community can learn. And remember, as we always discuss, consult your doctor or dermatologist before making any major health changes. Stay empowered, trust the science, and keep living your best life. Thank you so much for joining me on Vital Elixir today.
Thank you for your time. Subscribe for more health education. Like the video and share it to help others stay informed.